Good morning, everybody. Let's look at level this morning. You can see Nasdaq 100. It's near neutral zone and sell zone. This morning, futures opened on a gap down. This Israeli news. There's some issue going on in Israel. They are fighting. They're saying they're under terror attack. So if I go to 1 hour chart and hide these lines, okay, you can see what's happening here. Let me go to the current data here on triple Qs. You can see we are opening on a big gap down. All right, so I think this gap will be filled this morning at minimum. And let me add a line here so that we will make it yellow, so we all know. So triple Qs 364.57 and below we are opening on a gap. If we open like this, it's 0.6% down, so we'll get a bump to fill this gap at minimum. Okay, and then they will decide. Okay, let me go to daily chart, and then there will be a decision where we're gonna make a higher, go higher, make a higher low, or we're gonna make an equal low and then go high. Okay, so there will be some pullback coming up soon. We just don't know if it's gonna be higher low or we're gonna go lower low or. I don't think we're going to go low, probably equal low. On S&P 500, however, if I go to SPY, I think the decision will be, you can see still it's also same thing. If I go to 1 hour chart, we're opening on a gap down 0.54%, so it's going to be a pump to fill this gap, and then a decision will be made to make a lower low or higher low. Regardless of how we do, I think eventually we're going higher. All right, so let me go back to the indicator and let's look at zones so that now you know what I'm thinking. And here you go. So let's go back to Nasdaq 100, and you can trade triple Qs based on that. It's between sell zone and neutral zone. So sell zone is around 14,950. So still it can pump from here to sell zone around 5.5%. Okay, S&P 500 also same thing. From here it can go to sell zone. Sell zone is around 4303, so it can still go higher from here. US 30 Dow Jones, it's near neutral zone, so it can still go higher. Oh, by the way, if Nasdaq comes below here, this is the perfect time to buy. 14,716, this is the time to buy. From here, the downside is almost 1%. All right, for on US 500, S&P 500, it can go as low as 0.85%. 42.47 is a good time to buy. All right, I'm just giving you worst case as well. And on Dow Jones, 33,018, and Russell 2000 is in the neutral zone, so 7717 and below you look to buy. Okay, in the middle we do nothing. Okay, so you can see we're coming closer to the middle. Dow Jones and Russell 2000, we don't know anything. We sell in red lines, we buy in green lines. All right. And the gold is pumping because of this news, and you can see we were here in the buy zone when we were here Friday, and then today we gap up, and now in the sell zone. Still a little bit in the sell zone, so gold can still go a little bit lower. If it comes around 1830, look to buy. Silver is also in the neutral zone. We don't do anything in the neutral zone. Natural gas is in the sell zone, coming down. Crude oil also massive pump. We were in the buy zone on Friday, and now you can see bump almost going there. A lot of people asking me why we are going, what's going on. I said just look at my buy sell criteria. You can see if you are in buy zone, there will be some news which will pump and put into the sell zone. Dollar getting close to the neutral zone now, massive pump early on, and now in the neutral zone. Bitcoin looks like it's in the buy zone near third standard deviation. Very good time to buy Bitcoin. This is very rare. I think we're going to get a massive rally on Bitcoin. Ethereum, same thing, below second, third standard deviation. Very good time to buy. 1589, perfect time to buy. If you're watching this, should be launching and buying crypto right now. Apple in the sell zone, massive pump. You can see all these tech stocks. Other than Tesla is in the neutral zone. Everything else was pumping on Friday. You can see all of these are mostly in the sell zone. So I'm going to skip all these. Hang Seng Index in the neutral zone. Let's look at commodities. Copper near sell zone. Palladium 2% down near buy zone, and this is a support 1139. This is where perfect time to buy. Wheat near sell zone. Corn is near sell zone. Soybeans, all these soybeans is near buy zone. 1288 and below look to buy. Sugar is also near sell zone. All right, let's look at gold stocks. Gold stocks are in the sell zone. You won't mind gold miners. So I think they're gonna calm down a bit as soon as they open. And all these other, let's quickly look at sectors. XLK sell zone, XLE sell zone, XLU sell zone, XLV sell zone, XLU in the neutral zone, XLI industrials in the near sell zone, real estate near neutral zone, and financials also near sell zone, and KRE regional bank ETFs in the neutral zone. All right, guys, good luck. I'll post this now. Again, levels are here: 4302, 4247 to buy, Nasdaq. 14,950 to sell, and 14,716 to buy. Middle we do nothing. All right, guys, good luck.